Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to McQueen, a friendly West End neighborhood in Edmonton, Alberta. This established community features tree-lined streets and a mix of single-family homes, apartments, and townhouses. Located in West Edmonton, McQueen offers residents a convenient location with easy access to the city's amenities while maintaining a peaceful residential atmosphere. Whether you're enjoying a walk through the area or taking part in community events, McQueen offers a warm, welcoming environment in the heart of Edmonton's West Side. Edmonton is a vibrant and dynamic city that serves as the capital of the province and a major cultural and economic hub in Western Canada. Known as the Gateway to the North, Edmonton is strategically located on the North Saskatchewan River and is renowned for its rich history, diverse communities, and stunning river valley, which is the largest urban parkland in North America. Edmonton is also a leader in innovation and education, home to the University of Alberta and a thriving tech sector. With its blend of urban sophistication and natural beauty, Edmonton provides a high quality of life for its residents and a welcoming atmosphere for visitors, making it a truly unique and exciting place to explore.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!